Cadillac just did something nobody saw coming. They took everything they know about luxury vehicles and built a motorhome that costs more than most houses. And it's already selling out. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, a vehicle that's rewriting the rules of luxury travel. We'll cover the exterior design, the ridiculous interior, performance specs, and that jaw-dropping price tag. Let's get into it. The RV market has been stuck in the past for decades. Sure, you've got your Prevost and your high-end Newmars, but they're essentially fancy buses with residential appliances bolted inside. Cadillac looked at that formula and threw it out completely. This motorhome represents Cadillac's push into a segment they've never touched before. While other luxury brands are making electric sedans and SUVs, Cadillac is betting that wealthy buyers want the freedom of the open road without sacrificing the sophistication they're used to. And here's the thing, they might be right. The first time you see this thing in person, it stops you cold. This is a 45-foot masterpiece that looks more like a custom super yacht than a motorhome. The front fascia carries Cadillac's signature vertical LED lighting, stretched and reimagined for something this massive. The grille is bold, unapologetic, and unmistakably Cadillac. The body panels are aluminum and carbon fiber composite, keeping weight down while maintaining that premium feel. The paint options are extensive, but the exclusive stellar metallic finish is what everyone's talking about. It shifts from deep blue to almost purple depending on the light. There's also a matte black option that makes this look like a stealth bomber on wheels. Slide-outs extend on both sides, adding nearly 6 feet of interior width when parked. The awnings are automatic, sensing rain and retracting without any input from you. LED accent lighting runs the entire length of the vehicle, and you can customize the colors from your phone. The rear features a full-width entertainment wall that transforms into an outdoor theater. Drop-down screen, integrated sound system, ambient lighting. It's designed for those luxury campground evenings. Step inside and you're not in a motorhome anymore. You're in a penthouse that happens to have wheels. The dashboard and cockpit area feature the same design language as the Escalade, but amplified. Dual 38-inch curved OLED displays give you complete control over every system. The captain's chairs are ventilated, heated, and massage-equipped. They're wrapped in semi-aniline leather that costs more per square foot than some people's rent. The living area is where Cadillac really flexes. Full height ceilings, recessed LED lighting, and panoramic windows that actually open. The furniture is custom designed by a European studio that normally works on superyachts. The sofa converts into additional sleeping space, but it's so comfortable you might prefer it to the bedroom. The kitchen is legitimate. Induction cooktop, full-size convection oven, wine fridge that holds 32 bottles, and a refrigerator with smart inventory tracking. The countertops are Calacatta marble, real marble. In a motorhome, the bathroom is absurd. Rainfall shower with body jets, heated floors, backlit mirrors, and a toilet that's nicer than what most people have in their homes. There's even a small sauna option available. The master bedroom features a king-size bed with an adjustable base, blackout shades, and a 55-inch OLED TV that rises from a cabinet. Storage is everywhere, all soft close, all premium materials. Under that elegant exterior sits serious capability. The chassis is custom-built, designed specifically for this application. The diesel engine produces 600 horsepower and over 1,200 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to move this 30,000-pound palace without breaking a sweat. The air suspension system is adaptive, reading the road ahead and adjusting automatically. It can raise for ground clearance or lower for easier entry. The ride quality is unreal for something this size. Fuel economy sits around 8 to 10 miles per gallon, which sounds terrible until you remember what this is. The tank holds 150 gallons, giving you serious range between stops. All-wheel drive is standard, along with stability control systems borrowed from Cadillac's performance division. This thing can handle weather and terrain that would stop lesser motorhomes cold. Here's where it gets wild. The base 2026 Cadillac Motorhome starts at $850,000. Fully optioned models are pushing past $1.2 million. That's supercar money. That's penthouse money. But Cadillac already has a wait list stretching into 2027. Clearly, there's a market for mobile luxury at this level. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome isn't for everyone, but that's exactly the point. It's exclusive, excessive, and absolutely extraordinary. Drop a comment if you take one of these on the road. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more luxury vehicle breakdowns. I'll see you in the next one.